Alright, this is going to be the elevator here in the other building at the Playa Largo Resort here in Key Largo, Florida. It's a KONE as well. Look. Oh, it didn't do it. Well, it did do it, but I can't get it on camera. So you go up to 3. This one's a little creaky, but it runs so much better than the other elevators here. 3. One. Yeah, this one runs way better than the other elevators here. Alright, let's go back up to 3. It talks, but you can't at all tell what it's saying. I know what it's saying, but like, the voice is very quiet and very muffled. Here we are on 1. I like that chime though. Oh.
Thank you. And my voice.
Thank you. Sorry. Yeah, no problem. I'll sit down.
And that'll be it.